Good morning, everybody. Andy here. It's a beautiful late July day. Starting the day with a cup of coffee, and we're going to trim some garlic this morning. All you're going to need is some trimmers to basically take the stalks, a pair of scissors, and a brush. If you don't want to use a brush, that's fine. You can just basically wipe them off if you'd like to. So here I have Russian Red, Georgian Crystal, Polish, GH, and I'm sure something else I'm forgetting right now. So all you want to do is grab one of your stalks, and if you notice, these stalks are pretty much dying off. And you want to trim as close to the end of the garlic as you can. Okay, because what happens is all those little roots continue to collect moisture. And so the one thing you're really trying to prevent when you're storing garlic is you do not want them absorbing any type of moisture. And then I cut about, these are a hardneck variety, so I cut about 2.5 inches off the end. And then I take that bulb, just take my brush, which these aren't real hard, but hard enough, I guess. And it's okay if that first layer flakes off. It's drying, that's really what it's supposed to do anyways. And if there's a little dirt on it, it's not the end of the world. That's good dirt, good microbes, good bacteria. And you're left with a picture perfect piece of garlic. Have a great day. Enjoy yourself.